1930 Ford Roadster Hyba. Price: $29,500. Mileage: 5,000 miles. Location: Pineville, Louisiana. Step into classic hot rod history with this stunning 1930 Ford Roadster Hyba, a beautifully built street rod that combines vintage style with modern engineering. Finished in a rich gold exterior with a beige interior, this Roadster features an all-steel body mounted on 32 frame rails for strength and authenticity. Upgrades include a Heights Mustang II front end, adjustable suspension, and other performance enhancements that make it both rideable and show-ready. With an automatic transmission and only 5,000 miles, this Hyba is ready to hit the road while preserving the classic open-top driving experience. Owned by just two enthusiasts, fully paid off, and with a clean title, this car is perfect for collectors or anyone looking to own a head-turning piece of American hot rod history. A rare combination of craftsmanship, style, and vintage appeal, ready to be enjoyed at shows or on the open road. 1934 Ford 5-window coupe. Price: $60,000. Location: Preston, Maryland. Experience true hot rod craftsmanship with this stunning 1934 Ford 5-window coupe, a genuine Henry Ford steel body car with fiberglass fenders that has been carefully owned and maintained by the same enthusiast for the past 26 years. This beautifully built coupe blends classic 1930s styling with strong modern performance, making it a standout at car shows or cruising the open road. The car has been thoughtfully built and meticulously cared for, reflecting decades of pride in ownership. Under the hood sits a powerful 383 small block Chevy featuring a full roller setup including cam and rockers, Edelbrock aluminum heads, Performer RPM intake, Holley 770 carburetor, and a Mallory HEI distributor. The engine was dyno tested at 425 horsepower on 87-octane fuel, and the build and dyno sheets are included to verify its impressive performance. Power is delivered through a smooth 200R4 automatic transmission with lockup converter. 1956 Chevrolet Custom Truck. Price: $55,000 OBO. Mileage: 500 miles. Location: Zip 38574 USA. Turn heads everywhere you go with this beautifully restored 1956 Chevrolet Custom Truck, a classic build that perfectly blends vintage style with modern performance upgrades. This truck underwent a complete frame-off restoration a few years ago and has only been driven a few hundred miles since completion, mostly to local car shows and events. Its timeless design and clean presentation make it a standout classic that's both show-ready and enjoyable to drive. Under the hood sits a strong 350 crate motor paired with a built TH350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable power and smooth performance. The drivetrain is completed with a Ford 9-inch rear end, while four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power. Inside, the truck features a modern digital dash, along with heat and AC system partially completed, giving it a comfortable and updated driving experience while still maintaining its classic charm. 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Price: $12,000. Mileage: 123,456 miles. Location: Biloxi, Mississippi. Take a nostalgic ride with this classic 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle, a charming and reliable vintage car ready for the road. Finished in a cheerful green exterior, this Beetle combines timeless styling with dependable mechanics. It features a solid engine and smooth manual gearbox, along with new floors, brakes, and fresh upholstery, ensuring both comfort and safety. With 123,456 miles and well-maintained components, this Super Beetle is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a classic daily driver or a fun weekend cruiser. Ready to enjoy, it delivers the iconic Beetle experience, compact, quirky, and endlessly lovable, while still offering reliability and practicality. A rare opportunity to own a classic VW that's both fully restored and road-ready. 1926 Chevrolet Peace/U Roadster. Price: $28,000. Mileage: 10,000 miles. Location: Gresham, South Carolina. Own a piece of automotive history with this 1926 Chevrolet Peace/U Roadster, a beautifully preserved and restored classic that combines vintage charm with reliable drivability. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a striking red interior, this truck features an all-steel body with zero rust, showcasing the care and quality of its restoration. New wheels and tires enhance both safety and style, while the interior, though showing minor wear, remains in great condition. Powered by a smooth manual transmission, it drives like a dream and captures the true spirit of a 1920s Chevrolet. With only one careful owner, 10,000 miles, a paid-off title, and no known issues, this Peace/U Roadster is perfect for collectors, weekend cruisers, or anyone looking to own a classic American roadster that's as reliable as it is head-turning. 1933 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price: $60,000 firm. Mileage: 15,501 miles. Location: Somerset, Pennsylvania. Experience true hot rod excellence with this stunning 1933 Ford 3-Window Coupe, a professionally built street machine that blends classic 1930s styling with serious modern performance. This eye-catching coupe is powered by a monstrous 455-stroker engine producing around 525 horsepower, paired with a C6 automatic transmission, delivering incredible acceleration and smooth power delivery. The engine breathes through a Holley tri-power setup and Sanderson ceramic headers, connected to a polished stainless steel exhaust system that produces a deep, aggressive tone. Built on a Williams Street Rods chassis with a Daviki fiberglass body, this car combines strength, lightweight construction, and precision craftsmanship. Performance and comfort come together with four-wheel disc brakes, a Ford modular traction lock 3.50 Posey rear end, vintage air conditioning, power windows, and a power trunk. Inside, the car features a beautifully finished custom leather interior that matches the high-end build quality throughout the vehicle. 1929 Dodge Brothers 5-Window Business Coupe Street Rod. Price: $12,345, trade value/negotiable. Mileage: 8,000 plus miles. Location: Stark, Florida. Turn heads with this beautifully built 1929 Dodge Brothers 5-Window Business Coupe Street Rod, an all-steel classic that blends vintage hot rod attitude with modern comfort and reliability. Powered by a strong SBC V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this coupe delivers smooth performance and effortless cruising. The car features power rack and pinion steering, Mustang 2 front suspension, and power front disc brakes, giving it excellent handling and stopping power. Inside, you'll find a well-equipped cabin with tilt wheel, custom steering wheel, vintage AC and heat, power windows, power doors, power trunk lock, and a custom audio system with alarm. Out back, a GM 10-bolt rear end and Flowmaster exhaust add to the performance and aggressive sound. With just over 8,000 miles on the build, it runs strong, rides smooth, and is very dependable. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Price, $37,500. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Stillwater, Minnesota. Experience timeless American craftsmanship with this beautifully built 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, a classic street rod that perfectly blends vintage styling with modern performance. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this freshly built Chevy delivers an aggressive yet elegant presence that stands out at car shows or on the open road. This build features all original steel body panels, preserving the authenticity of the classic design, with the exception of the fiberglass trunk/deck lid. With only 300 miles since the fresh build, the car remains in excellent condition and showcases impressive attention to detail throughout. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it offers effortless cruising while maintaining the iconic lines that made the 1938 Chevrolet a favorite among collectors. 1941 Studebaker 2-door. Price, $12,345, offer/negotiable. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Manchester, Tennessee. Step back into classic American automotive history with this 1941 Studebaker 2-door, a solid vintage car that carries the unmistakable character and craftsmanship of the early 1940s. Finished in a classic green exterior with a matching green interior, this car keeps its authentic old-school charm and timeless styling that collectors and classic car enthusiasts appreciate. Paired with a manual transmission, it delivers a true vintage driving experience that connects you to the road the way classic cars were meant to. With only 300 miles shown, a clean title, and no known major issues, this Studebaker is described as a solid old car that runs and drives well. The seller has listed a placeholder price and is open to serious offers, making this a great opportunity for someone looking to own a rare pre-war classic. 1934 Ford Sedan. Price, $38,000. Mileage, 1,500 miles. Location, Athens, Texas. Step into classic hot rod style with this stunning 1934 Ford Sedan, a beautifully customized street rod that blends vintage character with modern performance and comfort. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this car delivers a bold, timeless look that stands out at any car show or weekend cruise. With only 1,500 miles on the build, it remains in excellent condition and ready to enjoy. Under the hood sits a new Chevy 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth power and dependable performance. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $35,500. Mileage, 10,400 miles. Location, Valley Falls, Kansas. Step into timeless hot rod style with this beautifully crafted 1934 Chevrolet Coupe, a professionally built street rod that blends classic pre-war design with modern performance and comfort. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a classy tan interior, this coupe has a sleek, elegant look that turns heads at every cruise-in, car show, or weekend drive. Built by Outlaw Performance of Avonmore, Pennsylvania, this car reflects quality craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout the entire build. Under the hood sits a strong 350 cubic inch Chevy V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering reliable power and effortless cruising. With 10,400 miles, the car remains in excellent condition and has clearly been well cared for. 1932 Ford Model B Roadster. Price, $130,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Step into the ultimate classic American hot rod with this extraordinary 1932 Ford Model B Roadster, a high-end custom build that combines timeless 1930s style with modern engineering and craftsmanship. Finished in a rich, deep burgundy exterior, this Roadster instantly commands attention, while its meticulously detailed interior and flawless bodywork make it a true showpiece. Under the hood, the car has been thoughtfully upgraded to deliver smooth, powerful performance, paired with an automatic transmission for an effortless driving experience that perfectly complements its classic lines. With only 300 miles since completion, this Model B is essentially brand new and has been treated with the utmost care, making it ideal for collectors, car show enthusiasts, or anyone looking to own a standout, turnkey classic. Every component, from the custom paint to the modernized drivetrain and precise build details, reflects countless hours of expert craftsmanship, ensuring this Roadster not only turns heads but also delivers a thrilling, reliable ride. 1959 Chevrolet Impala Bubble Top. Price, $100,000. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Experience the pinnacle of classic American styling with this 1959 Chevrolet Impala Bubble Top, a true head-turner with iconic lines and show-stopping presence. Finished in sleek black exterior paint paired with a vibrant red interior, this Impala combines timeless 1950s elegance with modern muscle. Powered by a robust 525 HP engine and paired with a manual transmission, it delivers thrilling performance while staying true to its classic roots. Featuring all original sheet metal, meticulous craftsmanship, and just 1,000 miles on the build, this Impala is in excellent condition and ready to impress at car shows, cruises, or weekend drives. Clean title and no known issues make it a rare opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a bold, collectible classic with both performance and iconic 1959 Chevy style. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette C2 Restomod Coupe. Price, $349,900. Mileage, 650 miles. Location, West Des Moines.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Iowa step into the ultimate blend of classic styling and modern performance with this 1967 Chevrolet Corvette C2 Restomod Coupe, an exceptional build professionally completed in 2025 by Nostalgic Enterprises. Finished in a striking green exterior with a luxurious tan interior, this Corvette maintains the iconic lines and aggressive stance of the classic C2 while incorporating modern upgrades for unmatched drivability and reliability. Powered by a thoroughly engineered drivetrain and paired with a precise manual transmission, it delivers thrilling performance and an engaging, connected driving experience. With only 650 miles since completion, this Restomod is practically brand new and has been meticulously crafted to combine collector-level aesthetics with modern technology and comfort. Fully paid off, with a clean title and no known issues, this Corvette is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey showpiece that can be driven, admired, and enjoyed, an extraordinary opportunity to own one of the finest C2 Corvettes on the market today. 1949 Mercury 8. Price: $33,999. Mileage: 12,345 miles. Location: Cumming, Georgia. Step into classic American automotive history with this exceptional 1949 Mercury 8, a rare and beautifully styled hot rod that perfectly blends vintage charm with modern drivability. This Mercury is finished in a sleek satin black exterior that highlights its flowing lines and iconic post-war design, paired with a crisp white interior that creates striking contrast and timeless appeal. Built with care and attention to detail, it features a smooth manual transmission that delivers an authentic driving experience while maintaining the classic feel of a true 1940s American car. With 12,345 miles, this Mercury has been well maintained and is in excellent condition, ready for car shows, weekend cruises, or collection display. Its powerful stance, flawless finish, and meticulously crafted interior showcase both style and craftsmanship, making it a standout among